Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about city creation. In this, basically, we are talking about one Sunil R. Nair story. Basically, last video, basically, we told that basically there is one software company, basically that is Lakshya Software Company. Basically, it is in Vadodara, basically city, and it's basically headquarters in Chennai also. Basically, currently, basically, where basically entire entire Tamil Nadu basically is following the rail, and basically entire Tamil Nadu got almost finished. That city basically, this person basically told that uh, I have sent you a resume basically. Just story, see the story basically, because he is connected with the BJP government and Congress government. So he told that basically, uh, I have sent your resume to Chennai basically. After having this much knowledge also basically, you can see my videos also basically. He told that basically in Chennai basically I have sent your resume. In really basically he has not sent the Chennai basically resume basically. He was actually spoiling the name of the Chennai group basically. He told he's basically Gujarati basically. His owner is basically Gujarati. That basically Narendra Modi is Gujarati. That BJP is Gujarati. So he told that basically I have sent your resume basically to Chennai basically, and they have basically rejected your resume basically. Reason is here. Reason is basically the you are technically basically not good basically. So you can just watch my video basically. So say basically whether my technical is good or basically technical is strong basically, because the text box is equal to 1,000 city basically. Nobody knows in this IT industry only basically. He might not be knowing that also basically. So like this basically, he's both owner basically, Chennai owner and the Vadodara owner basically. Both basically was telling that basically he's technically not good basically. So now basically what he told basically, he Chennai people basically I asked basically Vadodara city basically why my technically basically you can take my interview basically, you can tell basically whether my technical is good or not basically. In this basically almost all Vadodara city basically software company basically rejected my resume. Why? Because he has sent my resume, and he basically sent the mail to the each and every Vadodara software company and told that basically I have rejected. We are basically rejecting your resume basically. So he rejected that. This is automatic system basically. If he rejects, then basically almost half and almost the Vadodara city also basically rejected. In this basically same way Chennai also basically, but in really basically Chennai basically has not got the resume only basically. Chennai basically has not got the resume also. He is basically having one god basically, that is Jalaram god basically in his office basically, where he is sitting basically. He is told basically this in front of the Jalaram god basically. Jalaram god and Krishna Bhagwan god also basically was there basically. Some of the one of the person basically, Karthik basically is my friend basically. He told me that he is a god. He is basically believing in Jalaram and Sri Krishna Bhagwan. So in front of Sri Krishna god and in front of that Jalaram god basically, he's a Gujarati god basically. He's basically lots of Gujarati people believe him basically. So in front of that basically he told like this basically, that Sunil R. Nair basically is not suitable, and like this basically he told. So in front of, in really basically Chennai basically has not got the resume only basically. That also basically one of my friend basically told. So like this basically things are basically there. So like this basically the software company basically has is doing this type of activities basically. In this basically Chennai basically unnecessary basically, though they basically got into trouble basically, but in really basically Vadodara people basically, that is Gujarati person basically, when I asked basically that person basically, he told me basically that we only keep Gujarati people basically, we only keep Gujaratis basically. So he basically like directly told that basically we are doing the partiality in Vadodara city, that we will be going to only take the Gujarati population. Like this basically he has told basically that we are only going to take the Gujarati person, and like this basically he told that basically. So like this basically he told that. In this basically the main thing is uh, in this basically the main thing is basically that client basically are in USA basically, UK and Singapore basically. Their client basically are in USA, UK and Singapore basically, are connected with the BJP government and the Congress government basically. So you can just imagine basically the population basically are connected with this basically. So like this, he told that basically we have a client in USA, UK, Singapore, all basically supported that particular person, that is Gujarati person basically. And in this basically, Chennai basically unnecessary basically came into trouble. Why? In really basically he has not sent the resume basically. That was told by my one of the friend Karthik. He told me basically that he has not actually sent the resume to the Chennai basically, but then also basically he spoiled the name of the Chennai owner basically. So like this basically this Gujarati was using the Chennai people basically, and Gujarati means Narendra Damodar Modi. He was basically connected with the BJP, and BJP told that basically spoil the name of Chennai basically, and like this basically he literally spoiled the name of Tamil Nadu. One of the Gujarati person basically spoke, and one of the person told that basically there are lots of Tamil Nadu people basically who has converted into the Gujarati, so that it might possible that basically he might have spoiled the name of the Chennai basically. That also basically one of the person told that basically, because he was getting the projects from Tamil Nadu also, and there are lots of Gujaratis basically who have basically converted from Chennai to Gujarati, sorry, Tamil Nadu to Gujarati. So this basically person told that what this person basically spoiled the name of Chennai, and in this basically in really the Congress government has told BJP to tell this type of thing basically. So like this basically he told also basically, like this was the software company basically, Lakshya Web Solution basically, software company basically, who told that basically Sunil Nair is basically not good in the not good into the software industry basically, so reject his resume basically. So like this basically this group basically rejected this person, sorry, this person actually rejected, but he basically by mistake, because he was getting ego na basically, because I told him, he actually told directly basically, no, I actually asked him basically why you are not giving not basically giving the interview call also basically, because he told that basically I basically little bit argument basically I had done with him basically, and then basically he told that basically we only take Gujarati people basically. That was basically his Abhiman basically telling. Reason was basically the BJP, that is Gujarati Pradhan Mantri basically was the backup basically. He was basically doing the backup of this particular person basically, and he is basically one of the Gujarati owner basically. So that's why like this basically one of the person told that basically all Gujaratis are doing nowadays Dadagiri in across the world basically. Reason is he is basically Gujarati. He is Gujarati, so all Gujarati basically people basically started doing Dadagiri in across the world basically, and in the Vadodara city also basically. So like this, all Gujaratis, all basically Gujarati businessmen basically started doing Dadagiri across the world, and this basically America also basically knows. And one of the person told that basically America is also basically doing that only basically. Reason, one of the person told that basically Biden basically, that is the USA president basically, he is also one of the Gujarati person basically. This also basically one of the person told that. So Gujaratiयों की दादागिरी बढ़ गई. Like this basically one of the person told that basically. Due to this person and due to USA president basically. So these two people basically have become told that basically do dadagiri in the world basically. Like this BJP basically, that is Gujarati person, and Gujarati people basically was created by the Germany group basically, that is the which person basically that don't know basically, indirectly basically the Germany की दादागिरी बढ़ गई ऐसा basically one of the person told that also basically. He is Gujarati, he is also Gujarati, he told that basically we only take Gujarati person basically, so you do whatever basically, we are not going to give him job basically. Like this basically across the world basically there are around 7 crore Gujaratis. He basically told that basically हम लोगों की दादागिरी है, बोल तेरे को नहीं देनी नौकरी. Like this basically they basically convince this person also basically that if in future basically you get any resume basically from Sunil Nair basically, tell you also basically right. Reason, because this person basically, this people basically few people basically has been converted to Gujarati basically. Like this one of the person told that basically who is that basically caste, do you know basically that that are basically, I will tell you which caste basically that is. Just a minute. That is this caste, Amin caste. This person basically has been converted into Gujarati. In next video basically we are going to see.